Hi everyone, here we've got LG K22 and let me share with you some useful codes which will work on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer and tap on the keypad because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes. And let's begin with the shortest one, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the testing mode, and it is provided by Google. It's *#4636#*##. And as I said, we are in a testing mode. Here we can check some phone info, usage statistics and Wi-Fi info. So let me pick the very first option, for example, and here we can check the IMEI phone number, current network, data network type or signal strength. After scrolling down a little, we can run ping test by tapping here, and here we've got the results. What's more, we can tap on the more icon in the right upper corner, so that 3 dots icon, and here we can also enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Let me go back and let's check usage statistics, so let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the list of all apps which are installed on this device, and now they are sorted by the usage time, so you can check that we've used the settings for almost 15 minutes. Of course, you can change the sorting type just by tapping here, and you can choose for example last time used or app name. So after tapping on the app name, for example, all the apps will be sorted alphabetically. Let me get back and let's check the Wi-Fi info, so simply tap on it, and here we can check the API configuration and the status. So let me pick the status, for example, and after refreshing the stats, we can check, for example, the network state, SSID or network ID. What's more, we can run ping test just by tapping here, and here we've got the results. Also, that's all for this code, so let me get back to the dialer. And let me show you another code which is connected to the calendar. It's *##225#*##. And as I said, we are in a calendar info, so here we will have all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country, they should appear here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best option to check the events, and you can be sure that you won't forget about any anniversaries. Let me get back and let me show you the last code, which is *##426#*##. And here we've got the Fcm Diagnostics, so here we can check some events and also the status. What's more, after tapping on the status again, we can show an advanced view just by tapping on this 3 dots icon and tapping on advanced view. And as you can see, here we've got much more info, for example, the last ping or a heartbeat alarm. So actually, that's all for this LG K22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.